Have you ever wondered if the political system that governs France is the most effective one? Does it truly represent the diverse voices of the French people? Is it nimble enough to adapt to the rapidly changing world? These are questions that have been echoing in the hallowed halls of political discourse in recent times. France operates under a semi-presidential system. This means that the executive powers are divided between the president and the prime minister. The president has the power to make decisions on foreign and defense policies, while the prime minister is responsible for domestic policies. This system has been in place for decades and has served France in various ways. However, it is worth contemplating if this structure is the best way forward in today's context. Now imagine a different model, a confederal model. In a confederal system, local governments hold the power, and the central government functions with the powers granted to it by the local governments. This model aims to give more autonomy to the regions, allowing them to make decisions that best suit their unique needs and circumstances. The confederal model is not without its merits. It promises a more responsive and adaptive system that can cater to the diverse needs of the regions. It can provide a platform for local voices to be heard and local needs to be met more effectively. On the other hand, the current semi-presidential system has a more centralized approach, where the decision-making power is held primarily at the national level. However, it's essential to note that the confederal model also has its challenges. The risk of fragmentation and disparity among regions is a potential concern. Achieving a balance between local autonomy and national unity would be key in such a system. Comparatively, the current semi-presidential system offers a more unified approach, with decisions made at the national level. However, critics argue that this centralization could lead to a disconnect between the national government and the regional realities. The confederal model presents an alternative that could potentially bridge this gap. By empowering local governments, it could create a more responsive and adaptable system that is better suited to addressing the unique needs of each region. To conclude, the conversation about the future of France's political system is a complex one. It requires a deep understanding of the benefits and challenges of both the current semi-presidential system and the proposed confederal model. It's not about choosing one over the other, but about finding a system that best serves the French people in the ever-evolving global context. Therefore, we encourage you to delve deeper, to learn more about the confederal model, its potential benefits, and the challenges it may bring. Knowledge is power, and understanding these political systems better will help steer conversations and decisions that could shape the future of France. Remember, every voice matters in this discourse, and your voice could make a difference.